How to unlike all of your liked videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application. Also, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, you can simply launch your profile section or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, you'll be landing on the profile section of your TikTok account. Here, you'll be able to see different options on the menu. So you can simply tap on the saved icon menu over here and you'll be able to see all your liked videos on TikTok. So these are all the saved videos. So if you want to see the liked videos as well, you can simply tap on the heart icon and you'll be able to see all the liked videos over here. Now, it would not be possible for you to unlike all of your liked videos at once, but if you want to unlike it, you can simply go to each video over here and then tap on the like icon over here again, and you can simply just go back and check, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.